South Africa, sanibonani, siyaphila. I am here in the city, and I can tell you where I am is so beautiful. It's one place that is so amazing. Guess what? Into engijabulisayo ukuthi is black owned. It's a boutique hotel. It's a beautiful one. Look. It's a beautiful hotel. This is the name of the hotel. It's where I am. And the rates, are affordable to those who can afford. So I'm saying to you guys, come here and enjoy your stay. Look. This is the inside part of this beautiful hotel. And I've been hosted by wonderful people. Wow, I feel like I'm owning this hotel as well by the wish of being here. So I'm sure pretty soon my entire family will be coming down here to enjoy the beautiful part of this place. And it's wonderful. And let me tell you something that we do not know. When all of us are going to be here, it's going to be something else and we'll be hosted. I guess we won't have to fight about, the beds, the other things, because everything is going to be a showdown for everyone. So, guys, let us come and enjoy our stay here. Let us be, having fun, beautiful time. So I'm inviting each and every one of you to come and enjoy your stay here. It's a beautiful hotel and it has got beautiful people. Everything that is inside here is of classy, of high quality, of high value. And the spirit, the warmth of the wonderful people here is out of this world. So come and stay here with us.